Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Green, yellow, red, purple, brown, violet, blue, black, orange, pink, green and sky blue color. Purple color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. Kids, we are tracing letter C. This is letter D. We are tracing letter E. This is letter F. Kids, we are tracing letter G. This is letter H. I. Now we are tracing letter J. This is letter K. Now we are tracing letter L. Kids, this is letter M. Now we are tracing letter N. Red color. This is letter O. Green color. Letter P. Now we are tracing letter Q. This is letter R. Kids, we are tracing letter S. This is letter T. Now kids, we are tracing letter U. This is letter V. W. This is letter X. Y. Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thanks for watching kids. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.